Hi everyone, it's Marky. Let's talk about this Patero necklace that I got. I actually bought this for my daughter. You can choose any initial you want for it, and her name starts with M and so does mine. And I accidentally bought two. So instead of returning it, I kept this one for myself because I loved it so much. It is just so pretty. Like I said, you can choose any initial. Ours just happens to start with M. So on the back, it is reversible. It does have these tiny, tiny, tiny cubic zirconiums. So if you don't want the initial, you can just switch it around and have something a little more sparkly. It is plated in 14 karat gold. The heart itself, the teeny tiny little heart charm right here, is 5 millimeters. So it's really, really small, really dainty. I love how understated it is. I wear it with basically everything. She wears it constantly and she's small and it hasn't broken yet. So that shows how durable it is for being such a fine, fine chain. It is something that I probably wouldn't wear to like the gym or swimming or something like that, just so it doesn't tarnish. I've had this for at least 6 months. I wear this almost every single day just because it goes with every outfit. I can dress it up, I can dress it down. It's just super simple and really pretty. Hasn't tarnished, hasn't had any wear. It still looks just as beautiful, but I just don't wear it swimming. I don't wear it to the gym. I try to keep it dry and it's held up great. I am gonna show you what this looks like on just so you can kind of see a close up and kind of see the detail of it. And then I will be right back. Okay, so now that you have seen it on, you know how tiny it really is and how dainty and it's beautiful. The chain is adjustable. It does have an extended little chain so you can choose. I like to wear it as more of a choker. It goes down to about here if you want it on the loosest setting, on my neck anyway. So it's adjustable for how you like to wear it. I hope this was helpful, and if you're looking for something that's just really small and understated, I think this would be great for you. So thank you.